Hello guys, I'm Paris, the options guy, and welcome back to my channel. And as you guys can see, markets did open with a gap up and hit our target first, and then we saw a little bit of pullback, right? As I was saying, we could see a little bit of pullback and then we could again start to move up, right? That can also happen. But if you see Nifty did not even come down, right? Nifty just went up in the start and just hovered near the day high for the rest of the day. So what can we do for tomorrow? Very simple, right? First of all, we will focus more on Bank Nifty now because Nifty is at a place where it really, needs a pullback, and without a pullback, it cannot really give a good momentum, right? Because it is also near a resistance. So chances are Nifty may not give such a good momentum as compared to Bank Nifty, right? Because Bank Nifty has a very good space on the upside to move, which is not the case with Nifty, right? So tomorrow, the best thing for us would be if we open flat or with a slight gap down, right? And then once we cross this day low of 44,410, we need to start finding traps, right? What do I mean by that is that, say the market goes below 44,410 and then immediately reverses from there. That is when you guys can go ahead and take a bullish trade over there, and then we can aim for a very good move easily till 45,000 on a positional basis. Maybe it might come tomorrow itself, but I don't think it will come tomorrow itself. Maybe it might take a day or two, right? And then we can easily expect 45,000 on the upside. Before that, we can also book your profits at 41,700, 800. But yes, then we can get then Bank Nifty can open up to a target of 45,000 very easily. Because if you open flat or with a small gap down and start crossing this day low, people will get bearish. That is when a lot of people will, the big institutions will get a lot of sell liquidity, and that is when they can push the market up from there and cover their shorts or maybe make new long positions over here. So if we break this day low and we are not seeing good selling coming in, then we can go long from here, because if you see, there is also this support of 44,350 to 380 over here, which is, this 50-point range is also going to act as a good support. So if we break this day low, and if you do not see good selling coming in from here, you can go long from here while keeping a stop loss of max to max 80 points. I don't think we will need a big stop loss, because once people get trapped, we can see a very good momentum very fast, right? So that is for Bank Nifty. If we open with a very big gap down below 44,350, however, then we'll do nothing for the day, because things will then become volatile. There is support on the downside, and then there will be resistance on the upside. So we'll let the market just stay over here for a day, and then we will do something on Friday, right? Talking about on the upside, if you open with a very big gap up somewhere near 44,700, then you can do two things. Either you can wait for a pullback till 44,550 and then go long from there. But if market is not coming down, right, then you need to wait for a positive price action to be built in 5-minute chart. Once you see higher highs being built in Bank Nifty, then you can go long from here, because maybe the gap up might sustain, and not like today where the gap up, where the gap up is sold. Tomorrow maybe the gap up, but tomorrow there are good chances that the gap up will sustain, and we will see continued up move till 45,000, and we can easily expect 45,000 also if we open with a gap up near 44,700 and we are not going below it, right? If we are hovering near this level itself, then we can expect an up move like this to again come into the market, right? However, if you are opening with a small gap up, say somewhere near 44,600, then we'll wait for a pullback till 44,520 to 500. And once you see market taking support from here by either making a big green candle like this, or by seeing positive price action in 5-minute chart, you can again go long from there. Talking about Nifty, if you see, Nifty has already moved a lot, and tomorrow is Nifty's expiry. So maybe what could happen is that Nifty might go up slowly, right? And in that slow momentum, Nifty could take a lot of stop losses, right? So tomorrow you can go long, but if you see, there is resistance at 19,900 over here. So if you can go long above 19,840, but you have only a 60-point range on the upside. So act accordingly. If you feel like you are getting a good risk to reward ratio over here, only then go ahead and take a trade. Although, taking a trade in Nifty is not really advised on the upside, because Nifty hasn't really come down. Whereas if we see in Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty has given a sort of a pullback over here, and now it can continue and give a better momentum as compared to Nifty. Now that is if we open flat and start crossing. If we open with a gap up, again we can do nothing because over here there is not really much space for Nifty to move. So Nifty probably could get volatile. So even if we open with a gap up, we can do nothing over here. On the other hand, if we open with a slight gap down, right, and if we go below this today's low, and if we do not see good selling coming in over here, you can again use the same strategy as Bank Nifty and wait for a pullback in, or take this pullback trade in Nifty and keep your target at 19,810 to 820, or maybe 19,840, whichever, this whole range over here. Or you can also keep a target of 19,900, but that might take some time and that might not come tomorrow itself because Nifty has already moved, right? So I guess that was it for today. And again, Bank Nifty seems at a way better place as compared to Nifty to trade for tomorrow, because Bank Nifty has also given this pullback and now Bank Nifty can easily move, as I said, a small gap down or a flat opening, and once we cross this low and if we are not seeing good selling coming in, we can again go long from here, because then a lot of sellers will also get trapped over here and then we can expect the market to move up very good, right? So that was it for today, and thank you for watching till the end. I'll see you tomorrow in another video. Bye bye.